Hello students, today we will discuss our next exercise 8.1. This is simple interest. So what is simple interest? Suppose you can see this, if you put some money in your bank, after some year or after some time, you will see this, the money is increased. Suppose you put some money in your bank 2000 rupees. After 1 year, this will be suppose 2020 rupees or 30 rupees. These things happen. So why these things happen? The bank will give you some interest about this sum of money. Here this is called the interest. So suppose a bank give you some interest 5%. That means if you put some money 100 rupees in your bank, after 1 year this will be increased 5 rupees. That means your amount will be there 105 rupees. Suppose you have 2000 rupees, you want to put this money in your bank account. So how much will be there after, how much money will be there after 2 years in your bank account? You have to find out. So what to do? If you put 100 rupees in 1 year, your money will be increased 5 rupees. If you put 1 rupees in 1 year, your money will be increased this much rupees. If you put some money, suppose 2000 rupees in 1 year, your money will be increased 5 by 100 into 2000. Suppose if you put the money 2000 rupees for 2 years, your money will be 5 by 100 into 2000 into 2. Clear? Now go to the formula. This is called what? This is called interest. This sum of money is called interest. Clear? So what is 5 here? So 5 is here rate of interest, which is written as R. So write here R. So 100 is fixed, right here 100. And what is 2000? 2000 means the sum of monies. This is denoted by P. So write here P. And what is 2? 2 is here time, that is denoted by T. So this will be T happen. Clear? So what will be the formula? I is equal to P R, firstly R P T by 100. Otherwise you can write P R T by 100. This is the formula of finding the simple interest. Clear? Now go to our problem. Now our first problem is given. Find the simple interest of 4000 rupees. Rate of interest is 7.5 and time is given 3 years 3 months. So which things are given? You have to find out the amount of money. So how to find out the amount? Amount means principal plus interest. Clear? So principal is given here 4000 and you have to find out now the interest. So what is the formula of finding the interest? Interest is equal to PRT by 100. So P is given, you can put 4000. R is given, you can put 7.5 and time is given 3 years 3 months. So you know that time is given here in the year, but here is given year and month also. So what to do first? Firstly you have to convert 3 year 3 month to year. So how to convert this? 3 year 3 month. So you can write 3 and 3 month. How to convert 3 month to year? Divided by 12. So this much year happen. If you calculate this, you will get 13 by 4 year. Clear? So now you can put in the place of P 4000, because principal is given here 4000, rate of interest is 7.5 and time is here 13 by 4 below this 100. Now calculate it, you will get the interest. After finding the interest, you have to add this interest with P. You will get the answer here. Now go to next one. The next problem is given. Find the rate of interest when 800 fetches for this much rupees as a simple interest in 2 years. So which things are given? Here is given principal is given 800, interest is given 130, time is given 2 years 6 months. If you convert this one as a year, this will be 5/2 year happen, and the similar process. Now we have to find out the value of rate of interest, that means R. Capital R you have to find. So go to the similar formula. You know that I is equal to P R T by 100. In the place of I you have to put here 130. In the place of P you have to put here 800. R you have to find. In the place of T you have to put here 2 years 6 months, that means 5/2 happen, 5/2, and there is a 100. Calculate it, you will get the value of R here. Now go to next one, question number 6. So question number 6 is given, how long will it take to certain sum of money triple itself for this much per annum simple interest? That means which things are given? Suppose the money is X, the amount is given, this will be 3 times of the sum of money, that means amount is 3x. That means you can find out the interest from here. Interest is equal to amount minus principal, this will be 2x here. Now rate of interest is given, R is equal to 13 whole 1/3, so this will be 40/3%. You have to find out the value of T. Now go to the same formula, I is equal to PRT by 100. In the place of I you have to put here 2x, because interest is here 2x, principal is here x, principal is taken here because x, R is here 40/3, time is here, you have to find, divided by 100. Look, x will be deduct from the both side. Now there have one unknown only, which is T. Now you can find out the value of T from here. This will be 15 years. Thank you.